I drifted far in endless seas, lost in whispers soft as breeze. The stars would call, but I'd forget the world was here, not distant yet.